Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn about HTML tags. Hello, and tags are basically how we communicate with the browser. Every single thing you see on a website is there because it was first written using HTML tags. Headings, paragraphs, images, everything. What this means is really simple. Tags tell the browser what each piece of content actually is. The browser reads the tag, understands them, and then displays content the correct way. Now, before we go any deeper, let's see what happens if we do not use HTML tags. Now let's open our VS Code and create a file named index.html. Let's write some text in our HTML file without using any tags. If we open this in the browser, everything looks same. Nadia doesn't look like a heading. The next sentence sits right beside it. It's just plain text. Why? Because the browser doesn't know what anything is supposed to be. It doesn't know Nadia is a heading. It doesn't know the next line is a paragraph. To the browser, it's all text. And that's exactly why we need HTML tags. Now let's see how to write them. Tags are written inside angle brackets, like this. If you want something to be a paragraph, we use paragraph tag. Paragraph tag is simply letter P inside angle brackets, so we write it like this. Notice something important here. There are two parts. The first P tag is the opening P tag and the second P tag is the closing P tag. The only difference is the forward slash in the closing tag. So when the browser reads this, it understands that everything between opening P tag and closing P tag is one paragraph. That is how it knows where the paragraph starts and where the paragraph ends. Let's wrap our paragraph in P tag. Now, if we look at this in the browser, the paragraph starts on a new line and it looks the way a paragraph normally looks, like something you'd see in a book or in an article. It's grouped together as one clear section of text. Let's add another paragraph to make things more clear. Now, you can see in the browser that the second paragraph appears right underneath the first one. They are clearly separated and easy to read, just like paragraphs in book or articles. Each one feels complete on its own. That's exactly what P tag does. It makes the text behave like a proper paragraph, the way we're used to seeing it. Now the paragraph looks in place, but Nadia is still just normal text. It doesn't really stand out, so let's also tell the browser that Nadia is the main heading. To make Nadia look like the main heading, we use h1 tag. h1 means heading number 1. The number 1 is there because it represents the main heading, the most important heading of the page. Add h1 to our heading. If we see this in the browser, you can see the difference immediately. It actually looks like a heading now. It's bigger, it's clear, and it naturally stands out from the paragraph below it. And now everything feels more organized. We have the main heading at the top and the paragraph underneath it, just the way we expect a page to look. Now both the P tag and the heading tag come in pairs, with an opening tag and closing tag. There are also some tags that do not need pair. For example, a horizontal line. For horizontal line, we use HR tag. That's it. Now think of it like this. For a paragraph, we had to tell the browser from here to here is one paragraph. Similarly, for heading, we had to tell from here to here is one heading. But for line, we don't have to do that. A line is always the same. It simply appears across the page. We're not wrapping any text inside it, and we're not marking a beginning and an end. Because of that, it doesn't need a closing tag. Let's add a line to our web page. If we see this in the browser, you can see a horizontal line has appeared on the web page. Tags that don't need a closing tag, like the HR tag, are also called empty tags or self-closing tags. As we move forward, you will learn many more HTML tags. In this video, we learned that without tags, the browser sees the plain text. With tags, the browser sees the structure. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.